Alright guys, just to let you know we're doing Unit 3, Lesson 8 tonight. It's on page 89. We have a couple of days before our big test. We want to talk about solving mixed multi-digit problems. They're all word problems, so we don't have any more easy equations. So let's look at number 1 and 2 together. Try 3 and 4 at home tonight. And then we'll do 5 through 8 in class. Number 1 says Jacob had 219 bottle caps in his collection. Then he found some more. Now he has a total of 347 bottle caps. How many did he find? So he had 219. So he had 219. Now has 347. So we're going to do something called Math Mountain. And basically this is our big number. So we're going to put up the top here, 347. And Math Mountain, if some of you guys might have seen before, it might be like a tree problem. And we know there's 219 in one side. But we're trying to find out what's over here. And if we just kind of did like a little plus there, it's going to equal that answer. So we would do subtraction. 347 minus 219. 7 minus 9, we know we can't do it, so we have to flip on over, take it from the 4, make that a 3, add 10 to the 7, so 10 plus 7 will make 17. 17 minus 9 will be 8. 3 minus 1, 2. And 3 minus 2 will give you a 1. So now in our little box, we can put 128. So going back to our original question, it says, how many bottle caps did he find? Well, we found 128 caps. We'll make it simple for labeling purposes. So that's one way we can do that problem. So we have the subtract, we have the equation. We have, this is called Math Mountain. And some people may see it as being a tree problem, so either which way. But I would like to see the Math Mountain used, so that way it's just a different way of solving the equation. We're just going to do number 2 together as well. Let's see what it says. Yesterday, Tamara stamped some invitations. Today, she stamped 239 invitations. So we're going to put that right up. Today, 239. She stamped 427 in all. Total, 427. How many invitations did she stamp yesterday? So again, we know the total is 427. That's our big number. We're going to put our Math Mountain up here. 239. But we want to know what this number is. So we're going to do our equation. Let's do blue. 427 minus 239. And what are we going to come up with? 7 minus 9 cannot happen, so we have to go to the 10 spot, borrow from the 2, change that into a 1, add 10 to the 7, makes it 17. 17 minus 9 will give you 8. 1 minus 3 can't work, so we have to go to the 100 spot, borrow from the 4, make that a 3. That'll change into 11 because we're adding 10 to it. 11 minus 3, again, is an 8. 3 minus 2 would be a 1. So now we can take our question mark out and put 188 there. So now we can rephrase our saying, she stamped 188 yesterday. Go back in the video if you're not sure how to do the Math Mountain or how to do the equation and reread. But we're going to start talking something called PISA when you get back in class. It's called PISA. And let me go ahead and put that up on this board so you have an idea of what it looks like when you come into class. Again, PISA. And this would be called the problem. And this is the information. And this is the strategy. And the last but not least is the answer. So when we come into class tomorrow, we're going to be talking about this little guy, and don't get messed up with pizza. So it's called pizza. Enjoy having fun doing those 3 and 4 tonight, and when we come in class, we'll be talking about this and doing 5 through 8. Go back in the video if you need any help. And again, you've been flipped.